जय श्री कृष्णा दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का अपने चैनल सगुन की मेहंदी प्रेरणा सार्थक पे। मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ दोस्तों, आप लोग कैसे हो? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब भी ठीक होंगे और मैं तो अपनी भोलेनाथ से यही प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि मेरे सारे परिवार बिल्कुल ठीक और हमेशा स्वस्थ रहें। जी हाँ दोस्तों, वाइटी फैमिली भी मेरी फैमिली है, तो मैं आप लोगों के लिए भी भोलेनाथ से प्रार्थना कर लेती हूँ। तो दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है कि सावन का पावन महीना चल रहा है और इस महीने में स्त्रियों और लड़कियों को मेहंदी लगाने और श्रृंगार करने का कितना महत्व बताया गया है। सावन में ही हरियाली तीज और ये पूरा सावन का महीना ही त्योहार, खुशी, उल्लास से भरा होता है। इतना अच्छा लगता है सावन का महीना। हर सोमवार को लड़कियां व्रत रखती हैं और मंदिर जाती हैं, भोलेनाथ के लिए बेलपत्र और धतूरा ये सब ढूंढ ढूंढ के लाती है। आज सोमवार है और भोलेनाथ को खुश करना ही है। यही सब सोचते हुए मैं हर रोज आप लोगों के लिए नए नए मेहंदी के डिजाइन्स लेके आती हूँ, ताकि मेरी बहनें, माताएं और छोटी छोटी प्यारी सी बच्चियाँ अपने हाथों को मेहंदी से सजाए। तो मेरी प्यारी प्यारी क्यूटी पाई बहनें, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक और एक शेयर जरूर कर देना और मेरे चैनल से जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस जरूर कर देना, ताकि मेरे हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक जरूर पहुंच जाए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखिए, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए और हमेशा स्माइल करते रहिए। जय महाकाल। $, to some pesos on my mind like I'm insane. You my babe, we can go wherever you want. I got lemon in my water and these ropes that you got on make me feel like I'm the man, but I can't wait to put you on. We could kick it with this 4-course meal and this nice red wine. Don't hold it all inside. You my number one. Energy is fire. Conversation is right. If you say tonight, baby, I might let you say, oh, I'll be what you hear, need your mind, many shades. Completely intertwining on my sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let you squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let you squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. Like they're bringing anything to the table, bro, I'm not your son, see I'm able, I do my own bits, limited edition of some missing classic shit, I know that you're feeling it. First time, I'm proud of my selfish decisions. Couple people did me dirty, but I'm clean. Ain't even mad proof, karma is a B. We all do bad things, when it comes back it bites up. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let you squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let you squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. That heat's coming from my thighs, I fire to my words, we're the worst every time, yeah, that we roll. She know how it goes, got my favorite secrets, she likes to keep close. And if you don't, then you don't. You soon will or you won't, if you know, then you know. And if you don't, then you don't. You soon will or you won't, listen up, cause I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let you squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let you squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, keep that indoors when we're throwing down. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, keep that indoors when we're throwing down. the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let me squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let me squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. Sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let me squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let me squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. Like they're bringing anything to the table, bro, I'm not your son, see I'm able, I do my own bits. Limited edition of some missing classic shit, I know that you're feeling it. First time, I'm proud of my selfish decisions. Couple people did me dirty, but I'm clean. Ain't even mad proof, karma is a B. We all do bad things, when it comes back it bites hard. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let you squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let you squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. That heat's coming from my thighs, I'd fire to my words. We're the worst every time, yeah, that we roll. She know how it goes, got my favorite secrets, he likes to keep close. And if you don't, then you don't. You soon will or you won't, if you know, then you know. And if you don't, then you don't. You soon will or you won't, listen up, cause I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let me squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let me squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out.
I'm on the sound, hoodie season, keep that indoors when we're throwing down. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, keep that indoors when we're throwing down.
I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let me squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let me squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. Sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let me squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let me squeeze out, squeeze. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. Like they're bringing anything to the table, bro, I'm not your son, see I'm able, I do my own bits. Limited edition of some missing classic shit, I know that you're feeling it. First time, I'm proud of my selfish decisions. Couple people did me dirty, but I'm clean. Ain't even mad proof, karma is a B. We all do bad things, when it comes back it bites hard. I'm on the